What a long day at work. Holy smokes. What was even going on today? Do you ever have that feeling? Or you just have one of those days where just nothing works out at work or in life or in general? Oh, let me tell you what the remedy for that is. Heading on back home on the KLR 650 or on your motorcycle. Oh my God, I feel like immensely better even now that the wheels are turning, but it took me a long time to get here. Holy smokes, what a long day. Anyway, if you're watching this video today, Island Riders, happy Friday. It's your Friday. It's totally not my Friday right now, so I'm gonna channel that Friday vibe that you have and place it in here right now, because man, we got a dark and dreary old day. Yeah, geez, you got to push through that stuff though, you know what I'm saying? You got to hop on the bike, find that happy place behind the bars, and just enjoy, because we've got great news and we got great things coming up. And the major great thing that I am super pumped about, and that's already, you know, bringing me back right now, is that next Monday, Season 4 on Island ADV starts. Holy smokes, 4 years. This will be our 4th year of doing this on the KLR 650, of finding the adventure on the other side of the red dirt road. I'm so pumped. It's so cool. Oh, and it's so good. I've already started a lot of filming. Now, I will say, actually, this is the first time we've kind of met each other on the road in spring 2023 now, right? Normally we're cooped up in the garage, but today, you know, we're out here enjoying the ride together once again. Man, oh man. Oh, I feel better already. It's like a weight is lifted off my shoulders. Oh, nice. Oh, I love chatting with you folks too. It's so great. Ooh. Decision time. Do we go home or do we go to the beach? What time's she anyway? You know what? We go to the beach. Let's seal the deal. Oh, right on. Good decisions being made already. So yeah, we got a lot to go over actually here in the old channel update. So what am I up to right now? Filming. You know, getting video. It's time to film Season 4, and I'll tell you, we have some awesome videos lined up already. It is a dreary day today, but you know, we definitely took advantage of the beautiful sun here on Prince Edward Island, and we got out for some great rides already. You know, we had a little bit of fun in the mud and we had a really incredible group ride. That's going to be really fun, I think, in the month of May coming up. Yeah, we have this awesome shakeout ride with the dual sport riders of Prince Edward Island, 11 riders strong. You know, CCs from 250 to 1100 in that group. Such a great run. And we had our buddy Josh come along for that ride too. It's going to be real cool. You know, I'm editing it up right now, and I got a unique way of doing it. So I'm excited to share that with you. Also, I did the season opener. So that'll be what drops Monday. Our first video for Season 4, just like the same with all the other seasons, will be our season opener video. And the season opener video, I'll let you know, for those of you that are watching this, you're usually like the OGs, right? You know, you guys have been around this channel for a long time now, so you know that video is a little bit for you, but it's mostly for people who are just new to Island ADV. So if you are new, I hope you take the time to watch it. It'll give you a little bit of an idea on how we do things out here, and it'll give you a little information about what we're all about on Island ADV. It'll be a video that stays up on the channel the whole season through. It's kind of like a welcome to Prince Edward Island, a welcome to Island ADV. Alright, yeah, all park closed to users. Shoot! Alright, that's fine. That's fine, we'll double back here. Here's a workaround. We'll use it. Yes, the beach is closed, the ATV trails are closed, but the awesome dirt roads that we have around Prince Edward Island are certainly not closed. So there's still lots of that to take advantage. I'm looking forward to getting out for a nice long adventure ride. You know, a nice good storyteller. I got a couple stories that I'm chasing down east right now. I'm still doing a little bit of the read up on it. You know, a little bit of the history, looking into it. So I can't wait to go out and tackle that. I won't spoil it for you. So, story time. You guys want a story? You get your popcorn, get your chips, chill out. A long, very long time ago. Not very long. Well, I don't know. Maybe it is a long time. I'm getting old now. But I used to roll with a crew that filmed a lot of stuff. We did everything. It was kind of like improv type filming, where we would just, and we had a lot of camera equipment, and there was one guy who was in charge of it all, and he was a buddy of mine. He's like my best friend. We grew up together basically on the farm back in Copa Settlement, and we would head out, and the rule was don't stop filming. We would film the craziest stuff. We would just catch stuff on video all the time. It was like early days dash cam stuff. It was really funny, really interesting things, but we had a blast doing it. And that's where I've learned most of my, like, you know, camera technological prowess, if you will, and how to do editing and such. I got most of it from doing that. And you know, for the longest time I stopped doing it. You know, there was a brief stint where I took broadcast journalism in university and I kind of picked it up again, but you know, nothing was the same as that. So having this YouTube outlet has been great. Anyway, this guy comes up to Prince Edward Island for a weekend. We're just hanging out, and he comes out and we're filming some stock footage and such for the season opener video. And he goes to me, I had a GoPro crash, and he goes, "Oh man, you know what, I should just give you my GoPro, I never use it." And I'm like, no dude, you just hold on to that. You know, that's a GoPro, you'll find a good use for that anyway. So this week I'm picking up the mail. He sends me a text, he's like, you should check the mail. And I open up the mail, and here's a GoPro Hero 10 with like 6 batteries, and I couldn't believe it. And I'm like, oh my god, man, that like, if you're watching this, you know, thank you so much. Oh, it's so good. I was getting fed up with the Hero 8 there crashing, and now we have the Hero 10, which is what we're rocking right here, right now. So forgive me if this video is a little bit choppy. You know, I am doing a bit of a test just to see how it goes. But man, I still can't believe it. It's such a cool camera. So far, it's got a lot of really neat features. I got this media mod strap to it. I just can't believe it. Still a little bit in shock, but I'm very excited. So I have 3 cameras now. Does that translate into having 3 riders, 3-way comms? I don't know yet. I really can't do 3-way comms with my comm system, so something to research and design, I guess. You know what I mean? Very cool. All right, let's work our way through the back way of this park and see if we can find any cool things up at Cove Head. Burning stuff in the backyard. It's a typical Prince Edward Island tradition around spring. And it's also kind of wild when you're on the bike, because you always get a whiff of something burning and you're like, oh my god, is the bike on fire? And then you start sniffing around the bike, right? Trying to figure out if it's you that's the problem, or if it's just someone burning brush in the backyard. And 9 times out of 10 it's just someone burning the old brush. But that 1 time out of 10, man, when it's not, and it's actually you. Uh-oh. This is a good little run. If you're ever up in Prince Edward Island on a bike, street or otherwise, coming up through Stanhope here, just on Bayshore Road, is a beautiful little run that gets you a nice view of the bay. Ah, yes, look at them all. That's the golf course there. They're burning that pretty good. Not bad. So what did you think of the fishing series? Late fall fly fishing, moto camping. I had a really fun time putting that together. I had a really fun time on that trip, and it was really, really fun actually catching fish on a trip for once. Holy, when have we done that before? Never. Ah, it's great. And we got 2 of them. It was so cool. I hope you enjoyed that. Did you like the extra stuff in camp? Did you like the extra, like, me goofing around in camp a little bit? I hesitate to put that kind of stuff in because I don't know if everybody's interested in that. But I kind of like the idea. When the time I filmed that, I was watching a lot of Jim and Ted Baird videos. You know, these were guys that won the A Season of Alone, and they have a very, very, very good YouTube channels where they do a lot of that kind of stuff. So I was very heavily inspired by that kind of thing. So if you like that, I'll keep doing it. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming it. Maybe I'll just do it anyway. I don't know. But yeah, I thought it was a great time. We're going to be getting into another fishing series here. Well, at least not soon, but like you know, eventually here, I gotta get out. You know, fishing season's already. I got my license up, but I haven't wet a line yet at all. I gotta get down to the river for sure. Ah, it's so pretty through here. Just gotta crack the visor a little bit. Sorry for the wind if it's getting you. Maybe this fancy new Hero 10 will help us out with the wind a little bit. But I want to get that smell. It's good. Hey, there we go. I made it to the beach despite the access problems. Look at all the traps. I love coming to take a look at all the traps getting ready to go for setting day here. It's always a fun time just to see them get ready, just as we're getting ready here too for our new season on Island ADV. And man, I just love coming up to the beach. I'll tell you, cure for a bad day at work. Get behind the bars and get up to the beach. That's a privilege I guess I have on my complicated yet winter of a commute. Oh man, I am so looking forward to season 4 here, folks. I've got a lot of really cool ideas planned. I got a really good big trip planned. I got some other big trips planned. It's going to be a really fun time, and I cannot wait to share it with you. It's going to be great. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to warm my hands up on the engine a little bit here. Just get them a little warm. Oh, that is actually nice and warm. But because I'm freezing. But it's also time for me to get home for some supper. So I think I'm going to leave you here, folks, and I'll pick you up back here on Monday as we take a look at what we can expect to see for season 4 and our season opener that goes live then. Until then, if you're out riding, please be safe. It's springtime. There's lots of dust on the road. The mud is unreal. It's mud season. But until the next time we meet, whether it's up here on the old docks, on the beach, on the asphalt, on the red dirt, take care, Island Riders. Ride safe. Oh, super cold. Oh, super warm.